In this video, I'll show you how to translate your WhatsApp messages. So the easiest way to do this is just head over to the conversation that you want to translate, and then you need to highlight the message and select copy. Now, once you've copied the message that you want to translate, you then need to head over to the Notes app on your phone. And from here, you can just select Create New Note. Now, all you need to do is paste the text that we just copied into your notes, and then you need to hold down and press Select All. Once you have all of your text selected, you can scroll across in this navigation until you see the Translate option, and then just click on this like so. Now, this will automatically detect the language, and it will automatically turn it into your designated language. And that's typically the easiest way to translate messages in WhatsApp. If this doesn't work for you, you can always head over to an internet browser, and from here you can just type in Google Translate, and you can just paste the message directly into this tool here, and this will also detect the language and convert it into whatever language you want it. And it's as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next one.